He's joined, yeah. Yes, Swamiji, you can continue, yeah. Swamiji, sir, you can continue, yeah.
I've messaged him also.
Okay, no, he's already come. Swamiji, you can continue, yeah.
Mute la ulla vaango. Unmute pannungo.
Swamiji, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now are you able to hear me?
Yes, we are able to hear you.
I mean,
Yes, yes. Sorry.
where was I? Totally. Where was I?
You were talking about writing on the hand and on the bottle.
Yes. The miraculous effect of this dash power remedies is that, I mean, there is particular remedy known as rescue remedy. It
Yes.
is composed of 5 different remedies put together. That rescue remedy, we have about 1996, we have asked our students, whoever has been taught this remedy, to experiment for themselves by how they should use and see the miraculous effect of rescue remedy. Hello, madam, are you able to hear?
Yes, we are able to hear you, sir.
Yes, please continue.
Yes.
We are able to hear.
Yes. So, I mean, that rescue remedy, how we have demonstrated this in order to realize that it is highly miraculous effect it gives. That is, a lamb actually has run over by a lorry, and it is in a pool of blood, and that particular spot, a person who has spilled some 10 drops of rescue remedy over the body of the victim, namely that lamb, which is about to die, it will not die. It will, the lorry has run over, it's for all its limbs, and the limbs got damaged. So it can't actually get up. Even after veterinary surgeon is operated, they have to put some, what should I say, amputation only they have to do. Finally, such a thing, when we spilled 10 drops of rescue remedy over the body of the victim, let it be a lamb or any animal for that matter, it will get up just as a drunken person, a drunkard, who can be rather getting up and walking, floating in the air, just like that, that lamb has started walking with the broken leg. How is it possible? Because this rescue remedy has made the soul of that particular animal to lift its body. The soul has lifted its body to the effect that even with the broken leg, it has started walking with limping and walking. How is it possible? Practically, such a thing can be demonstrated even today with that rescue remedy, which is of this dash power, it comes under dash power remedies only. It is a combination of 5 different individual remedies known as rescue remedy, with which we can prove that beyond reasonable doubt that it is nothing but it's a spiritual remedy. It is now over and above the art of our physical, our mental, emotional, psychological and all. It is spiritual aspect of life only. It is so very powerful. Without the soul, nothing can function in the body. If the soul is to go out of the body, what will happen? A person will be considered to be dead and gone. So that soul's power can be proved through this dash power remedies in the name of rescue remedy. One can see that after learning it, our own other students also can demonstrate it in future, and they can know the value and worth of this particular dash power remedies. This is what I just would like to make with your permission. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Kind of you.
Any doubts for anyone, please let us know so that we can take this emotional disorders today. Or anyone facing some specific peculiar problem, you can please discuss here.
For sleep, which remedy to use?
Sorry, ma'am.
That is what I was about to talk about. I was about to talk about that topic only, for sleep.
Okay.
This experience, which I had experienced it with my mother. She underwent an operation, and above all, for the past 10 years, she was taking sleeping dose. She was given sleeping dose since she was not able to sleep. And later on, when she started living with me, I wanted to stop the sleeping dose for her. And you know which was with this batch flower remedies, I stopped it. That is, there is a combination for sleep well. As Swamiji has said, rescue remedy. There is one more called sleep well.
Okay.
We start you start having that. There is no side effects, nothing. It keeps your mind calm. Because your mind is not calm, you are not able to sleep. Right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here it puts your mind calm and at peace. There your mind is at rest and you're able to sleep.
Okay.
You'll have a sound sleep then. So for
Okay.
anything and everything, there is a remedy in this batch flower.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Dr. Radhika, you want to say anything about sleep? That sleep well, I think.
सर जैसे हमने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि हर अगर इंसोमिया है तो हर डिसीज है वो इमोशन से कनेक्ट है, मेटाफिजिकली कनेक्ट है. तो आई थिंक अगर कुछ भी किसी को सजेस्ट करना है तो उनका भी केस हिस्ट्री लेना जरूरी बनता है कि आपके इमोशंस क्या है. आपके पर्टिकुलर इमोशंस जानने के बाद आपके लिए स्पेशल रेमेडी का कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा. सपोज आज अगर मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है तो मैं वॉलनट लूंगी तो भी मुझे नींद आ जाएगा. मैं सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. मैं मेरे लिए एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि वॉलनट लेने से मुझे नींद आ जाएगा क्योंकि वो मेरे इमोशन से कनेक्ट है. राइट? तो वैसे ही आपका अगर आप अच्छे से सो नहीं पा रहे हो, साउंड स्लीप नहीं है, तो आपका पूरा केस हिस्ट्री, इमोशन हिस्ट्री लेने के बाद, आपका नेचर जानने के बाद पर्टिकुलर आपके लिए एक कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा जो अगर आप लेना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो आपको नींद आ जाएगी. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे जो सूट करेगा वो आपको सूट करेगा. राइट सर?
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely, perfect.
हाँ, या सर को जो सूट करेगा वो मुझे सूट करेगा, ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता. राइट? या मुझे जो सूट करेगा वो मेरी मदर को सूट करेगा, ये भी राइट आंसर नहीं होगा. सबके इमोशंस अलग है तो उस पे ही वर्क करना पड़ता है. इमोशंस जानने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. जैसे मैम लक्ष्मी मैम ने बोला कि मॉम का ये इश्यू है, तो हो सकता है कि उनको पेन की वजह से नींद ना आ रही हो, नींद आई मीन उनकी एज की वजह से नींद ना आ रही हो. जैसे अभी आचार्य जी ने बोला कि वात पित्त कफ. तो जैसे मैं नेचुरोपैथ हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि जब वात बॉडी में बढ़ जाता है तब नींद नहीं आती है. वात जो है वो बॉडी में जब बढ़ता है तब भी नींद नहीं आती है. तो अगर हम आयुर्वेदा की लॉजिकली देखने जाएं तो वात पित्त कफ में अगर एक वात बढ़ जाए तो भी नींद नहीं आती है. तो आई मीन सबके इमोशंस और सबका ये अलग रहता है, तो उस वजह से सबका कंपोजिशन भी अलग, कॉम्बिनेशन अलग बन जाएगा. तो मैम आप अपने इमोशन पहले बोले तो पता चलेगा कि कौन सा रेमेडी आपको सूट करेगा. राइट?
ओके ओके.
Perfect. Any doubts for anyone? आपका कोई क्या अर्चना? I think you're asking them doubt. आपका hand.
सर हेयर फॉल के केस में क्या होगा, मतलब हम कैसे डायग्नोज करेंगे?
Very good question. I think Dr. Radhika will be the best person to answer this. Yes.
जितने भी हेयर फॉल के केसेस आए, इवन मेरे खुद का हो रहा था. मैंने बहुत सारे हम सर के साथ क्लासेस ज्वाइन किए थे पहले भी, तो उसमें भी मैंने एक चीज बोली थी कि जब हेयर फॉल का आता है तो जो मेरा कॉम्बिनेशन है वो क्रैब एप्पल और वॉलनट पे जाता है. क्रैब एप्पल फॉर क्लियरेंस एंड वॉलनट कि आपका जो परसेप्शन है वो चेंज कर देगा. तो मुझे उससे बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं. दूसरी बात, यहाँ पे वही चीज जो स्टार्टिंग में हमने बोली थी कि हेयर फॉल होने के बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं. तो अगर फीमेल का हो रहा है तो हार्मोन इश्यूज सबसे पहले ले लो आप. हेलो?
Yeah, ma'am. Continue. Yeah. We are listening.
हम जितना सुन रहे हैं शांति से, मुझे लगा कट ऑफ हो गया.
No,
मैम.
तो मेन रीजन ये भी होता है लेडीज में कि उनके हार्मोन इश्यूज रहते हैं जिनकी वजह से उनका ये प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो अगर हार्मोन्स पे जाएंगे तो वॉलनट, क्रैब एप्पल बेस्ट रहेगा. तो आपके पास अभी जेन्युइन प्रोडक्ट नहीं है तो आप अपने शैम्पू के बॉटल्स पे वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल लिख के आ सकते हो। आप वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल से चैंटिंग, जैसे मैम लक्ष्मी मैम ने बोला वैसे चैंट करके अपना वाटर चार्ज करके उनसे बाल धो सकते हो। जब आप बाल धो रहे हो तो वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल आप अपने जब फिंगर्स अपने बालों में लगा रहे हैं तो वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल चैंट करके आप अपना हेड मसाज कर सकते हो। जब तक नहीं होते प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं आते आपके पास, ये आप कर सकते हैं। बाकी आप अपना इमोशंस बोले तो ही बेस्ट आइडिया आएगा कि क्या चीज है।
हाँ जी मैम, वॉलनट एंड क्रैब एप्पल को मैम ग्लास बॉटल में लिख के भी कर सकते हैं क्या? पानी
जी,
चार्ज करके?
वो रेमेडी सबके लिए सेम है। आई मीन कोई इंसान, कोई बंदा या बंदी ऐसी वर्ल्ड में उस जगह पे है जहाँ पे बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज हम उसको नहीं पहुंचा सकते हैं, तो तब आप ये तरीका जरूर अपनाएं। जैसे कोविड के
हाँ
टाइम
जी।
हो गया था कि पार्सल्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे, मेडिकल स्टोर्स अवेलेबल थे, लेकिन आपको मैं एक बात बोलूं, जैसे अभी गुरुजी ने
हाँ
बोला ये जो रेस्क्यू रेमेडी है ना, आज ही सुबह मेरी सर से बात हुई थी, जब ये कोविड का ऐसा पेंडेमिक टाइम था उस टाइम रेस्क्यू रेमेडी का शॉर्टेज हो चुका था गुजरात में, और मुझे पहुंचाना था किसी को, तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी बताओ आप। तो उस टाइम हमने ये तरीके लिए थे कि आपके पास अगर रेस्क्यू रेमेडी नहीं है तो आप अदर वे से भी रेस्क्यू के फायदे ले सकते हैं।
ओके।
तो आपके पास अभी ये रेमेडीज नहीं है तो आप अपने बॉटल्स पे लिख लो, वाटर चार्ज कर लो, उससे बाल धो, वो पानी पी सकते हो। आप जब इवन आप अपने ऑयल के बोतल पे लिख सकते हो, आप जो भी हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हैं उस पे ये रेमेडीज लिख सकते हो, जैसे मैंने बोला चैंट कर सकते हो, देन पानी पी सकते हो।
वाटर चार्ज करने से ज्यादा मुझे लग रहा है कि इफेक्ट आएगा, क्योंकि हम पानी तो रोज ही पीते हैं बट शैम्पू तो रोज नहीं करते।
ना ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन आप समझे नहीं बात को कि जब भी आप शैम्पू करेंगे ना आपका बॉटल और उसका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो चार्ज हो जाएगा।
चार्ज रहेगा। ओके
चार्ज प्रोडक्ट से आप अपना हेयर मसाज करेंगे, हेयर
तो
धोएंगे,
अलग
तो उसके
इफेक्ट आएगा।
रिजल्ट्स हाँ जी जी।
यस 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 यस, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
हाँ, आप तब तक ये आजमा के देखो कि आपको कैसे रिजल्ट्स मिल रहा है।
ओके मैम।
दूसरी बात कि एक साथ 3-4 काम हो गए कि जो मैंने वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल बोला वो आपके बॉडी में बहुत सी बीमारियों में बहुत काम लगने वाले हैं। सर मैं सीक्रेट खोल दूं क्या?
प्लीज खोलो यस यस डॉक्टर प्लीज खोलो।
आपके हेयर पे काम करेगा, आपके हार्मोन को, फीमेल है तो फीमेल और मेल जो भी हार्मोन पे काम करेगा। दूसरा आपकी स्किन ब्यूटीफुल बनाएगा जो हमेशा सबको इश्यू रहते हैं कि
ये मैम तो ये
हमारी
तो आपने
स्किन का।
बहुत अच्छी रेमेडी बताई।
हाँ तो मैं सर का परमिशन इसलिए ले रही हूँ क्योंकि ऑथोराइज सर हैं, राइट? हाँ तो मैं परमिशन इसलिए ले रही हूँ कि सर अगर हाँ बोले तो मैं सीक्रेट खोलूं।
या प्लीज गो अहेड मैडम।
हाँ तो आपका स्किन अच्छा हो जाएगा। दूसरा कि वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल क्लियरेंस के लिए काम आता है। तो और एक सीक्रेट है, आप इससे दुबले भी होंगे सर स्लिम ट्रिम आपका बॉडी टोन होगा वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल से जो सबको रहता है।
ये तो मैम
फिर
लेडीज
अगर
के लिए एकदम वंडरफुल आपने बताया।
हाँ तो ये शॉर्टकट है, शॉर्टकट है आपका कि आप अपना इससे आप अपना डाइट मेंटेन कर सकते हो। लाइक आपको हंगर इश्यूज रहते हैं या आपको क्रेविंग रहती है तो आप वॉलनट क्रैब एप्पल बहुत सी जगहों पे यूज होगा,
ओके मैम,
बहुत सी डिशेज पे यूज होगा, लेकिन मोस्टली हमारी लेडीज का ये चीजों में ज्यादा ध्यान रहता है कि अच्छे दिखें, हमारा स्किन अच्छा होना चाहिए, हमारे बाल अच्छे होने चाहिए, हमारे हार्मोन्स बैलेंस होने चाहिए। तो आप इन जगहों पे तो इसका यूज कर ही सकते हो।
यस मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
आपका डाइजेशन अच्छा होगा।
हाँ अच्छा डाइजेशन पे भी वर्क करता है मैम।
डाइजेशन अच्छा होगा, मैंने बोला ना बहुत सी जगहों पे यूज होगा, मैंने सिर्फ आपका थोड़ा सा
राधिका जी, ये वॉलनट सिचुएशन को ही चेंज कर देगा, ऐसा बोल दीजिए, सिंपल है ना।
बोल सकते हैं।
मैंने एक आपको क्या बोलूं, आपको हंसी आएगा। एक पेशेंट था जिनको बहुत कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता था, लक्ष्मी मैम अभी से हंस रही है और उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम था, उसको मैंने बोला कुछ मत कर, तू बस वॉलनट वॉलनट चैंट कर, वॉलनट वाला पानी पी, वॉलनट लिख ले। और दूसरे दिन उसने बोला कि उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि आज मेरा जो फ्लश आउट है अच्छे से हुआ। तो आप समझ लो कि वॉलनट कितना पावरफुल है।
सिंपल लेडीज को क्या बोलना है पता है, घर पे कुछ लड़ाई होता है, उस सिचुएशन को ही बदलना है, सिंपली स्टार्ट चैंटिंग वॉलनट वॉलनट वॉलनट।
हाँ, परसेप्शन आपका थिंकिंग प्रोसेस जो है ना, जहाँ पे आप फोकस, आपका जो माइंड डाइवर्ट करना है, मैम ये बोलो माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा
यस
आपका।
यस
और
वेरी ट्रू।
हाँ, तो
ये
जो
मैम एक
कॉन्स्टिपेशन और जो ऐसी चीजें
Not
भी
only
बहुत
yours,
काम करता है।
बाकी फैमिली मेंबर्स का भी वो हो जाएगा उसके
जी,
साथ,
जी।
आपके साथ।
वाओ।
अरे मैंने अभी 10% भी नहीं सीक्रेट खोला है। अगर मैं खोलूंगी तो आप
बोल दो,
बोलेंगे
बोल दो,
"ओह,
मैम।
मेरा ये था वो था।"
मैम 10% में जब इतना जाता
तो
है
क्लास
तो
क्या
फिर
लेंगे?
100%
क्लास क्या
में
लेंगे
क्या?
गणेश?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, फिर सर क्लास में सर बोलेंगे अब मेरा कुछ बोलने का वही नहीं है, सब राधिका ने बोल
डॉक्टर
दिया
राधिका जी
है।
प्लीज टेल या
नहीं सर, आपको बोलना है, आपको पूरा उसमें ऐसा है कि आपको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करना है। पहले जो 38 रेमेडीज है उसका पहले जो एक एक रेमेडीज का
स्टेप बाय
कॉन्सेप्ट
स्टेप।
क्लियर करेंगे ना, तो ये लोग खुद समझ सकते हैं कि मैंने क्यों ऐसा बोला।
परफेक्ट।
और
Step
दूसरा
by
जैसे
step you
मैम ने
should go
बोला,
because of curiosity. Yeah, they want to know that, but ऐसा मत दो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप लेट देम गो, लेट देम
जी
लर्न,
जी
तभी बैठेगा।
इसलिए मैं आज टेक्निकल नहीं गया, दैट इज द रीजन आई डिड नॉट गो टेक्निकल टुडे। आज टेक्निकल जाता तो
नहीं, लेकिन अभी आप मेन जो हेयर फॉल का पूछ लिए वो आ गया, आपका डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज आ गया, आपका हार्मोन जो हम सब ने सोचते हैं कि हार्मोन इश्यूज रहते हैं वो आ गया, आपका स्किन भी आ गया। अब ये मेन इश्यूज रहते हैं वो आ गया। सर ने गुरुजी ने हमको रेस्क्यू रेमेडी बोल दिया, तो अभी आपके पास रेस्क्यू रेमेडी नहीं है तो सेम चीज, रेस्क्यू रेमेडी चैंट करो, बॉडी पे लिख लो, बॉटल पे लिख लो, पानी पियो, वो भी रेस्क्यू रेमेडी का वर्क
हो गया।
करेगा।
मैम कुछ टाइम ड्यूरेशन भी इसका फिक्स होता है कि हमें इतने दिन करना है कि हमें खुद पता चल जाता है?
नहीं, डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन,
ओके।
इसमें
डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन, क्योंकि कुछ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जैसे सर ने गुरुजी ने अभी बोला कि रेस्क्यू रेमेडी ऑन द स्पॉट वर्क करते हैं, राइट, तो वो करते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी इसी में वही चीज आ जाती है, आप लोग हीलर्स हो, मैं हीलर नहीं हूँ, ये भी मैं बता दूं, मैं मेडिसिन की स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैं हीलर नहीं हूँ। सब चीज फेथ के ऊपर है, फेथ, कि आप
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
फेथ के साथ इसको ले रहे हो, तो ऑन द स्पॉट रिजल्ट देता है, कुछ लोगों को हफ्ते में रिजल्ट मिलता होगा, या फिर अगर मेरा जो पढ़ाई है उसके हिसाब से चाहूँ तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि आपको 40 डेज एक डोज फिक्स रहता है, वो 40 डेज आप वो डोज लेना चाहिए फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट।
ओके।
40 डेज में आपका पूरा जो सिस्टम है वो क्लीन हो जाता है, इमोशन क्लीन हो जाते हैं, और आपका वर्क आपको जो चाहिए वो आपको अचीव हो जाता है, राइट सर? ये मेरा मेडिसिन मैंने जो पढ़ा है कॉलेज में भी वो बोल रही हूँ
परफेक्ट।
बाकी
one
मुझे
more
सर
thing.
ये पता नहीं।
हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या है, वन मोर थिंग, लाइक हम कंटिन्यूस मेडिसिन ले रहे, अभी मैम ने बोला फेथ ऑन द सुप्रीम और ऑन व्हाट यू आर टेकिंग, राइट? वो फेथ ही आपको कहाँ तक लेना है दवा, उसके बाद अपने आप वो बंद कर देंगे आप, ऐसे सिचुएशन आएगा, which has happened also with many people. So you need not
Yes,
worry, ये
ma'am.
overdose हुआ या लेस डोज हुआ, ऐसे you need not worry. अपने आप वो एनर्जी लेवल के साथ आप जुड़ जाते हो, so आपको जितना चाहिए आप you will take only that much. Then after that automatically yourself will stop it.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is people's
With
experience.
your permission, madam, Lakshmi ma'am,
Yes,
with
yes,
your
sir,
permission,
please.
can I say,
Yes,
just because
yes,
you have
please.
spelled
Please.
out the word faith, the faith,
Yeah,
you know,
please.
there are only 5 words, synonymous words in English about faith. That is, if I say somebody to tell somebody that please believe me, and if he says, sorry sir, I can't believe you, Swamiji, because I don't know, how can I believe you? Okay, even if you're not, I will tell him back that even if you don't believe me, have confidence in me. What is that? It's the same word, belief, confidence. Then that will say, no, even confidence also I am lacking in you. Then I will say, okay, you better have faith in me. Even faith also, I don't have much, Swamiji. If he says, then we will say, trust me. TRUST, trust me. What is it? Believe me, trust me, have faith in me, have confidence in me. There are only 5 synonymous words because without which no treatment, even allopathy also, even if, poisonous drugs are, rather induced into the body, it will work only if the patient has got faith in the doctor and the treatment. Without faith in the doctor and the treatment, nothing can be cured. And apart from this, I would also bring to your kind notice the effect of this bachelor remedies. In out of 38, 2 remedies are there especially. And you may not believe, I have received a phone call from Madurai from a lady, advocate, who complained that her mother has been condemned to death by the doctor on account of her terminal illness or disease, chronic ailment. So doctor said she may croak any time, maybe hours or few days. That lady has said, please kindly pray for my mother. When Bash Power Remedies is there with me that time, 15 years back, why should I pray for her? I simply said, where are you now? In Madurai, she said. Then I said, in that case, I will do one thing. I will try to come tomorrow because it was in the around 12 noon that time. Then that lady said, Swamiji, you are coming to visit my mother. She is in the hospital in deathbed. She was telling. Then I said, yes, I will try to come tomorrow. Then finally, she has arranged for my flight flight tickets through her brother in Chennai. Finally, without her knowledge, I thought before I reach tomorrow morning over there, something may happen because she has been condemned to death. Finally, what I did, 2:30 train, Madurai Express, 2:30 in the afternoon. I took it within a couple of hours. I rushed to the central station and boarded the train, the open ticket, and with the unreserved compartment, I traveled to Madurai and reached there and I telephoned to this lady from being in the Madurai railway station. She was telling me, Swamiji, my brothers have come and they saw your door locked and they have come to hand over the flight ticket to you for tomorrow morning. Then I said, now I am in Madurai. Why is the question of your flight tickets and all? Finally, what happened, her brother has picked me up because I was in the saffron robe. So no special ID is required for me to, the crowded railway station. He took me in his car straight to his house. Then I said, where are you taking me? To my house, he said. I said, are your mother bedridden only at home? No, she is in the hospital. Then what for I have come? I took 2 remedies, Bash Power remedies, especially 2, which are the name of which you will come to know of it very soon. So those 2 remedies, I took it, and it is in the, homeopathy pellet form, small this thing, pellets. So only 5 pellets in each remedy must be taken, not by the patient, but by the well-wishers, the relatives or friends, whoever wants that lady to recover at her deathbed. Finally, I went into, I asked him to straight away take me to the hospital. He took me to the hospital, wherein the nurse had, after seeing me, nurse touched my feet and took my blessings, the head nurse. Then she said, Madam is, my goodness, she's gasping for breath. And I'm really perplexed. Like that, she was feeling very sorry, more than that of her own kith and kin. Then immediately, I opened and gave 5 pellets to that lady head nurse, only because she is number 1 well-wisher of that patient. After that only, I gave it to their sons and to that lady advocate who was my junior in Madras when she was practicing law. So I was a Supreme Court advocate also. I'm a film technologist, a dental surgeon. Apart from that, 15 alternative system of medicine, I have obtained my diplomas. Diploma in naturopathy, diploma in acupuncture, diploma in Bash Power remedies, diploma in magnetotherapy, diploma in hypnotherapy, diploma in psychotherapy, like that. I have got a wealth of knowledge. The Kata, Saraswati Katach only, more than that of Lakshmi Katacham. My own people used to say, you are flooded with this much of Saraswati Katacham and all. With that, you may not believe, the same night by 12 o'clock, when I'd been to their house and took rest after administering these two remedies to all those who were surrounding that patient, and that one single dose, was over. Then I came home to their house and took food and rested in the night. In the midnight, at my bedside, there was a landline telephone in which a call came from the hospital, called by the doctor to take the patient home because she may croak at any time in the midnight hours. That doctor doesn't want. Then as a doctor, I questioned that doctor as to when he was graduated. Then I said, I'm your mighty senior. You dare not ask the patient to be taken away at the midnight. Why? How? They don't want to spoil the image of the hospital. If she dies, other patients may lose faith in that hospital. That's what he wants to avoid. That's why he was hurriedly called these people and asked these people to come and take the patient home. Then I said, they will not take the patient. If you are going to do that, I will bring police people to arrest you. You are, after all, a night duty doctor. You dare not, you are not the chief to ask the patient to be taken away and all. Who are you? Even your chief himself can't do that. Then finally, she has altered that. And both her son and a daughter-in-law of that patient, they stayed in the hospital overnight. They came in the morning around 7 o'clock from the hospital to take bath and to take their food and again change the duty with other 2 persons from their family. That means it has been confirmed because in that midnight hour, I have given the dosage, second dosage, to all those at home who are remaining at home along with me. They took it. So that nothing has happened. You may not believe she lived for more than 2 years, which was considered as a miracle in the medical history. One more thing I will conclude. I will not take more than a minute. I will conclude it by telling that there is a gentleman called Raj Nallari in the United Nations, who is actually a chief officer of the United Nations in the New York, working for more than 30 years. He has been declared that due to multiple organ failure, the doctors in New York, the experts in New York, they said he will not live long. He will live only for a few days, just as this lady advocate. He has also been declared that her sister, the very famous, what should I say, IT professional, her name is, Nallari, Raj Nallari's sister. She called me and said, kindly pray for my brother. Then I said, I will send you 2 Bash fever remedies through speed post to your Hyderabad address from Chennai. You better take, you people, you take it, all your sister and others, whoever is there in your Hyderabad, whoever is your brother's well-wishers. She said, no, I am taking my mother to New York tonight flight. Tomorrow night flight, she said. I have booked the ticket. Then I said, I will send it through speed post so that you will get it tomorrow morning, so that you can take it to New York also and give it to all those well-wishers around him, his family members and all, your brother's wife and children and all. Then finally, even due to this Telangana problem, about 10 years back, I'm telling, the speed post postman could not deliver that those 2 Bash fever remedies, which I sent to her. She, the next day only has delivered, wherein the previous night she left for New York. Finally, what happened? Her sister over phone, she told me, her elder sister, who is a professor in the engineering college, she called me and said, our Jyoti Nallari has gone along with my mother to see my brother to New York, and I am remaining here along with my other sisters over. Then I said, you better take what you have sent, she said. I said, all the well-wishers, whoever wants the patient to be recovered, they should take these 2 Bash fever remedies. Each 5 pellets at a time. Like that, twice or thrice a day you take, and praying for him, I said. Accordingly, they prayed. Still, this has happened about 8 years back. Still, he is alive and kicking. One can call United Nations and ask for Raj Nallari whether he is alive and kicking. And the doctors over there, you may not believe, they said it's a medical miracle when he recovered from the multiple organ failure. Why I am telling this? Because the greatness of Bash fever remedy, just as Dr. Radhika was telling, hardly 10% I would have said like that. No, 0.0001% only we would have spelled out, and even the entire 5-day session also will be, covering only hardly 1% of the, entire stuff that is there in credit for this particular remedy, With this, I conclude. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. God bless you all. Good luck. Jai Simanarayan.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Swamiyappa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Uh,
And we are, and
I would
ANT
like
and
to
all of
say-
us are really blessed to have Swamiji,
Yes.
Dr. Radhika. Thanks a
And
lot for
I
your
will
valuable
see-
contribution.
No, the moment I saw the ad in the WhatsApp, I was thrilled to note that, oh, even after 25 years of my entry into this, again, this has come. I want to be a silent spectator, but I'm forced on account of my emotional outburst. I'm
Please.
forced to
I'm happy.
intervene again and again.
So we are
Sorry
blessed.
for
We are
that.
blessed.
We are very happy about it. We are really very happy. You know,
Narayana, Narayana,
and,
Narayana.
and
Thank you,
everyone,
thank you.
I would like to say, let us all thank Swamiji because he is really 77 years old. And we are really blessed to have him in the session today with us to give us
Thank
this
you,
great
thank you.
knowledge.
Thank you, sir.
Very kind of you. Very kind of you.
Also,
But anyway, I
Swamiji
feel
is
no.
the-
I'm sorry. I feel guilty of holding you all.
No,
No, not at all, sir.
please don't. No,
Not
no,
at all.
it's please don't.
Also,
We are
Swamiji
very,
is
very
the
blessed.
grandson of Mr. Rajgopal
Rajgopal
Acharya,
Acharya,
who was the
the first
first
governor,
president of
governor.
India before independence, by the way.
Governor General, first and the
Governor General,
last
I'm sorry,
Indian
sir.
to be the
Governor
Governor
General,
General. Next
He's a
only to
grandson.
Lord Mountbatten. Thank you. Kind of you.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Thank
continue.
you, thank you
Thanks.
so much.
And I also thanks Dr. Radhika for giving us
Yeah.
valuable information. And
Yeah.
any bachelor remedies, please call us. We and Dr. Radhika, we will get this thing done for you. And any doubts, you're all welcome to talk. You're all welcome to message. My number is there, doctor number. I'll again put the numbers of all of you, all of us rather. And please feel free to ask anything. And happy Janmashtami to all of you tomorrow. All the best for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Subha ma'am.
It's really a wonderful session
Thank
today.
you and thank you.
You know, it's a
Thank
heart
you
filling.
very
It was.
much.
Thank you so much, Swamiji. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Okay, time to say bye. Let's
Thank
catch up
Okay,
in couple
good
of
night.
days.
So
Yeah.
much, everyone.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thanks a lot,
Radhika ma'am.
Ramnath
Thank
Singh,
you so much.
Singla. Thanks a lot, Nishan ji. Thanks a lot, Deepali ji, Roshni ji, Lakshmi ji, Hashmita ji, Archana ji, and everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Okay,
you
goodbye.
so much. Thank you so much, Lakshmi ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Lakshmi
God
ma'am.
bless all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow, do we have the class, sir? Tomorrow?
No, sir. Not tomorrow is not there. We'll keep it on Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. I'll note it. Thank you. Kind of you.
Okay.
I'll remind you. Don't worry. I'll remind
We
you.
will remind you, sir.
I'm
We'll
there to
remind you.
remind you.
Thank you.
सर
Very
वेडनेसडे
much
क्लास
obliged.
का लिंक आएगा ग्रुप में
नहीं लिखा नहीं है
क्लास
मैं
का लिंक आएगा
कृणाती जो है कृणाती कोऑर्डिनेट करके
Yes.
करवा देगी.
ओके सर
Krinati is my other director. She is not there. I think she'll be available from Tuesday.
ओके
Okay. Also wanted to introduce Roshni ji. Roshni ji is also there with us. Roshni ji is also one of our healer. She is very good in her angel healing. Roshni ji, thanks a lot for joining
Oh.
us.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Today
Thanks
was
a lot,
very
ma'am.
nice session.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a nice day and happy Janmashtami again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
थैंक यू सर
Bye.
Bye bye.